In the past 3 years, I have built a 7-figure business and have helped hundreds of clients not only to crack their first $1,000, but also to help them crack their first $10,000, to crack their first $100,000. And also, we have a case study where one of our clients cracked their $350,000 mark. And all this literally started with this piece of training where I talk about how to make $1,000 in 30 days. And that's what exactly I did in my entrepreneurial journey. I did a training back in 2021, and there I broke down literally step by step the whole framework, how literally anyone can make their first $1,000 within 30 days in their online business. Stick till the end and you will exactly got to know how to make your $1,000 in next 30 days. It can happen in a week, it can happen even in 15 days. Sound interesting, right? Let's get started with the training now. 3, 2, 1. How to make your first $1,000, $1,000 as a complete beginner in 30 days or less. Okay, as I said, I'm gonna only tell the step-by-step framework so that you guys can implement it and just do it right from the beginning so that there is no kind of theoretical part. As I said, it's all basic practical implementation. First thing, this is the 7-step framework that I have practically used, I have implemented in my business. When I started my journey, I started from $0. I had no marketing background, no product of my own, no idea what I was gonna do, why I jumped into marketing. Just my thing was, we jump into this marketing or online world just to make money. That was my thing as well. When I jumped into it, I want to make just extra $500,000 a month so that I can either pay off my rent, either can pay off my car insurance, my car installments, or can save up some money to pay off my debts and all that, student debts and all that stuff. That was my stuff. That was my reason. So you all have different whys, why you are into this online world, why you want to make money. We all have different whys. Okay, so 7-step framework, that's what we're gonna talk about. Okay. I'm gonna make it really simple and divide the whole process into 2 stages. So stage 1, 5 steps in the first 10 days that I want you to do. Again, it's a simple step-by-step framework. Block your 10 days, do these 5 steps. What is this 5 steps? First step is identify or pick up one skill set, right? That is the most important thing. When we start our journey, what we do, we all started running after clients. Let me grab this client, let me grab this client. That's what we all do. We don't master, we don't identify what is the skill set in me, right? What is I have inside me already, which can help other people. Okay, I'm gonna give you some of the examples. I'm gonna share some of my student success stories as well in this case so that you can relate it better. Okay. So as I said, so these are the examples of skill set that you all guys can pick it up. Pick any one, as I said, just one, focus on one. Examples are funnel designing, graphic designing, copywriting, content writing, paid ads, coaching, consulting, social media marketing, tech support services. In my case, it was tech support services. What is the skill set inside you? Sometimes you don't know. Sometimes you are an artistic person. You don't know that you can convert that art, whatever you do in your free time, into a designing perspective. You can be a graphic designer. You can be a funnel designer. Sometimes you love to write content, right? You write maybe diaries every single day. You write your whole journey. You can maybe become a copywriting person. You can write content for other people, paid ads. These are the stuff that you can learn. Coaching and consulting, social media marketing. So pick one single stuff. Okay. That is the first step, identify. Second step is pick one niche or sub-market. We all know a market is basically health, wealth, relationship. Sub-markets are, you can go for fitness, you can go for real estate, finance, or dating. Okay. What I am saying is, once you pick up a stuff, like suppose you picked up a funnel designing as your skill set, right? Just giving you one example. Second, I want you to pick up a market that you want to use that skill set in that particular market. Whether it can be in a fitness, whether it can be real estate. There are so many markets out there. I'm just giving you some basics example, finance or all that stuff, right? Third step in this process, I want you to do is search where are they congregating. These people, where are they? Like we have a friend, the pro tip here is start from your own friend list. We all have a Facebook friend list of more than 1,000 people. I think everybody will agree with me here that we all have at least 1,000 friends on the Facebook. If you don't have 1,000 friends on your Facebook right now and you are doing business on Facebook, you have to increase your friend list. You have to engage more. You have to add more friends to your people, to your list. That is the problem. You are not reaching to your maximum people. You have to take yourself right in front of more people. It's all number game. That's what we're going to talk about. I'm going to give you a simple math, how you can break down that $30,000 in 30 days framework. Next thing I want you to do, fourth step in the framework, is offer WFF service for one client only. Yeah, it's offer work for free service for only one client. I'm telling you, just do it for one client. Don't run after a couple of people. Don't start sending, try to work for basically hundreds of people in a day, or 20 people, 30 people. Just pick up a skill set inside you, pick up a niche, and then come up with this, offer free service to that one particular client. This is the first 10 days I'm talking about. From day 1 to day 10, that's what I want you to do. The next step, the last step in this stage 1, just focus or help them to get results. Whatever you are doing, again, content marketing, for funnel designing, social media marketing, pick up one skill set, pick up a niche, help them to get this result. How many people, or you might have not tried, what we are doing is basically we are trying to talk with 5 people at the same time, and we do one thing maybe for some person, second thing for some person, and then you ended up with playing with 5 different kinds of people, and you don't identify what you have done for these people because you are doing a bit of work for everyone. I want you to do one complete task, one complete work, one complete close project for one particular niche. What will happen after this, once you do that, get them results? Now you have confidence, right? You have worked with one particular niche. You know what are their pain points, what are their desires, what you have done in the first 10 days. You know every single thing. Suppose in day 1 to 3 days, you are giving it to prospecting. Reach out to people, couple of people. Say that go to their Facebook profile. Simple step, go to their Facebook profile. First of all, once you identify your skill set, what are you going to help with them? Go to their Facebook profile, reach out to them. Hey, XYZ, I saw your funnel, I saw your copywriting, I saw your graphics, I saw your profile, whatever it is, I saw your copywriting, I saw your content, whatever it is. I think I can add some value to it, or I can deliver some result. I can make it better. I think I can make it to the next level. And you don't need to pay me. I'm doing this just to make my portfolio. What we do is basically we all run after money. That is the problem. When you run after money, money will run away from you. Right? Solve people's problem. Help them for free initially, because this is the stuff I'm talking about when you are as a complete beginner, right? And I'm only asking you to work for one single client. I'm not saying work for 10 people or 20 people for free. Just work for one single client and get them results. What will happen as a result? You will get confidence. You will get result. Now you have something to show to other people. That's what we're going to talk in the stage 2. Now you have got them results, you are confident. This thing doesn't happen if you do just a bit of work for somebody and leave the project in the middle, or don't even bring them any results. If you really help them bring them results can be anything. Suppose for a coaching business or for a fitness client, you help them to get 5 clients a day, 5 clients in next 7 days, whatever it is. Okay, so result can be anything. As I said, get them results. This is the first stage I want you to do in first 10 days. Next 10 days, focus on this. Pick up a niche, pick up a skill set, pick up a niche. Start from your friend list. Find a person that you think like that, I can work for free for that person. Right? I can add some value to that person. In return, what you can ask, social currency. You all know that what is a social currency. Ask for a testimonial, ask for a feedback. Like that, I'm going to work for free. I'm going to make your stuff better. All I want in return is the feedback or case study. I just want the case study because I'm building a portfolio. Stage 2, that is 2 steps only. We have done the first 5 steps. Now in the next 20 days, that is a hell lot of time, 20 days you have. And I only want you to do 2 simple steps in that next 20 days. What is the first step you're going to do? Step number 6, repeat the same step, same process, but don't work for free this time. Right? You have identified the niche, you have identified who you are targeting, pick up that particular thing. Suppose you are going after real estate person, stick to that niche. Don't run after now fitness client, don't run after now finance people or any other niche. Stick to that. You got results, you got testimonials, whatever it is, case study that you have got. Now if you approach a different client in the same niche, you'll be like full of confidence. They'll be like, You don't need to say work for free. You can say that, hey, I have helped this person, he's in your niche, and we brought this result for that guy. Do you want to get the same result? Of course, everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to get some clients or business. Everybody wants some results in their business. Why would they say no if you have a social proof available? Right? 7th step is again, same thing, leverage previous results. That's what I'm talking about. Work for one person free and then leverage the same results in that particular niche, work for a different client. This would be the simple 7th step framework to make $1,000. Okay, let's do a simple math. If you pick up first 10 days, you have worked for somebody for free. 3 days, I said, 3 days do a prospecting. Next 7 days, help them to get a result. A funnel can be built in next 3 or 4 days. You all agree with me. A content marketing, social media marketing, you can all do that in next 7 days. If you are into coaching, whatever niche you are in, copywriting, whatever it is. I'm giving you all the examples and plus case studies of my students. So 2 funnel designing projects are $497. That becomes $1,000 in 30 days. Now, if you have brought somebody results using funnel designing skills, and if you approach a person not gonna work for free, if you say that I've designed this funnel in the real estate niche for that person, and I want you to work for you as well, can we talk about it? That's how you go. If you are into graphic designing niche, you can easily package your offer. Instead of selling just $15, $20, $10 for a graphic design, you can package it in a way that you can charge at least $150 to $200 for a project. If you close 5 to 7 graphic designing projects in a work, $1,000 in 30 days. Copywriting projects. If you're a copywriter, you want to get $1,000 in 30 days. Suppose in first 10 days, you worked and wrote a copy for a person in a real estate niche, whatever it is, right? Now you have 20 days. How much time it takes to write a copy for a funnel copy? It usually takes 3 to 4 days. You have 20 days. If you take even 3 projects for next 20 days, at $349 each, that becomes $1,000 in 30 days. Okay, paid ad project. If you are into paid ad, Facebook ad, SEO, whatever stuff you are doing, you can pick up a $497 project each, make $1,000. You are into coaching and consulting. In 10 days, help someone, give them free coaching call, or help them organically. If you are doing coaching, like suppose it's your organic strategy, organic traffic is your stuff. In first 10 days, help them to bring some results. In next 20 days, coaching call, it's like 2-hour call. You have 20 days. You can get 20 clients. Even if you don't get 20 clients, you get 5 clients at $197 each. That becomes $1,000 in 30 days. 2 social media project at $497 each. That becomes $1,000 in 30 days. If you think like that, it's not gonna work, it's not for me, it's not gonna fit into my business. I gave you so many models. I gave you an example of funnel designing, copywriting, content marketing, social media marketing, paid ads, coaching services, graphic designing. Like I have covered almost all the niches that you are in. All of you are into one or another niche. The easy, simple step-by-step format. If you start from day 1, do first 5 steps in first 10 days, and then next steps in other 20 days.